My lifting capacity is gonna be limited here.
How did we do this?
Alright.
Say lift, asshole.
Right into the wall. It's 1, 2.
I said one has to be over here.
Someone's gonna, yeah.
It's impossible for one of us to stay right here.
Then can't we just turn his turn it? There.
Turn. How can we turn it without killing Scott?
We'll fucking kill him. He'll be alright. Get life insurance for us.
You're running out of room. Ow.
Yay! Oh, let me get out. Wait, Troy. I'm waiting. I'm just turning.
If you turn, I'll not be able to get down here.
Well, fit your skinny ass through. You're skinny.
This is priceless.
I'm skinny too.
Yeah, you don't got the muscles to move this kid.
Yeah.
Turn it, Josh. There you go.
Thanks.
Alright, bring it out.
Alright, let me know when you're ready. I'll kick the bottom out.
Go. Slow.
I am going slow.
Go. Down one. Down another.
Oh, where is that? Oh, one of my hair ties.
I'm holding. Hold there. Okay.
Can we turn it? Where are we at? Next up,
Where's Carl, anyway?
there it is.
Oh, that's right. He's working at APEC now.
Are we down?
Yeah.
Stop. You gotta go back up on that stop.
Come on.
Fall back into that fucking stop.
Okay, but it's on my leg.
We'll do it off of this right
Well, I would love to, except it's on my leg. Go. Go, niggers. Go.
Where are we going? Up or
Right
down?
there. We're on the step, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is why men don't give birth.
Push that down.
Yeah, I don't
You
want
want to tell me when you're going to move it? Give me a second. Okay, go. Whatever you're going to do it quick.
Put the, Josh, pop the ice maker back in. Never mind.
I can't. There we go.
And it's out.